welcome. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm about to show you one of my new exclusive listings. We're here at Casa Mar. It's a 2,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, ocean views from each level in Lomas de Mar, Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Come enjoy this beautiful property tour with me today. Walking through the front doors of Casa Mar, you're greeted with this grand open area that's wonderful for entertaining family and friends. Here, there's a lot of hardwoods. You've got a Guanacaste table, beautiful wood cabinetry, great countertops made out of granite, lots of natural light, and best of all, you've got these colors so you feel at one with nature. These ceramic tile stairs, you're greeted with a huge wall Venetian stucco. There's 3 master suites upstairs. At the top of the stairs, there's this flex area. Right now they're using it as an office with a gorgeous Guanacaste table and these beautiful Venetian walls. Here in the principal master bedroom, you have this really cool bed. It's electronic. It goes up and down so both you and your spouse can have great sleeps. You've got a wall of natural wood closets and you've got a beautiful terrace that opens up to these incredible views of the ocean. There are 2 guest bedrooms here. Each have queen beds, a wall of wood closets. They have en-suites that have been completely renovated, and both of them have additions where you have an extra bonus room. You can have a gym, an office, a couch area. How perfect would this be if you lived here or if you were headed for a rental? Guest bedrooms share this terrace. Here you can have your glass of wine, play cards, watch the sunset, or just relax listening to the sound from the waterfall. If I lived in this house, you'd find my husband doing the grilling. We'd be eating around this table in this covered area, watching the monkeys and the parrots at night, and taking a dip in the pool to cool off afterwards. Under the shade of your own cashew nut tree, with palms and bananas, this is a great place to cool off and just relax and enjoy life in Costa Rica. Casa Mar is in a gated community with about 15 other homes. Here, it's so peaceful and quiet and relaxing. You just feel like you escape from it all. If you would like this home to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day. Pura vida.